China once ruled as the undisputed manufacturing hub for Apple's iPhone. But now, India is rising to claim the crown. So it's important to ask, does India have what it takes to replace China? And why is Apple betting big on India? Welcome to Cut the Noise, where we decode Apple's game-changing move and its impact on India's economic future. India has hit a record-breaking milestone. In 2024, the country exported iPhones worth over 1 trillion rupees, a massive 42% jump compared to the year before. And this isn't just a number. It's being hailed as the highest value ever recorded for the export of a single product. Smartphones are now India's largest export to the US, hitting $2.9 billion in just the first 5 months of FY 2024. 5 years ago, smartphone exports to the US were around $5.2 million only. India's local assembly and production now make up 15 to 20% of an iPhone's value, setting a new bar for manufacturing quality. Tata, an Indian powerhouse, has also played a huge role in this success story. Apple's success in India also gives a signal to other big companies to set shop here, and we're already seeing that happening. But how did we get here? And most importantly, how did Apple get here? There are 3 major reasons why Apple, the world's largest company, is betting big on India. First is the political tensions between US and China. We are seeing countries who are now adopting the China Plus One strategy, which is basically moving away from China and diversifying the production to other emerging markets like India, Vietnam. Second reason was Apple's over-reliance on a single country, again China. During COVID, China had very strict restrictions, which were extended to Apple's manufacturing plant as well, and that caused huge disruptions in iPhone's production. India, with its growing capabilities and incentives, has emerged as a key alternative. A growing middle class with high purchasing power, looking for premium products. What better market to tap into, right? But does India have what it takes to become Apple's China? Well, it's not that simple. Despite growth in final assembly, India lacks local manufacturing of critical components, and we are still very much dependent on imports of these products from China. Then we have high import tariffs, which make it tough for Apple's suppliers to set up cost-efficient production in India. India's current tariffs on electronic components are about 5 to 6% higher than countries like China and Malaysia, and India needs to fix this. Apple still relies heavily on China for a majority of its manufacturing and sales, and experts say that India is unlikely to replace it as the top market in the near term. Having said that, there's a lot of potential for Apple's growth here. We can see that by Apple's expansion plans in India. But I want to know from you, do you think India can truly replace China? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you like the content, do share the video and subscribe to Grip's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.